everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to make a camera dolly for your filming purposes. This is very easy to use and it only uses very minimal tools, so anyone can do it, and it only costs at around 100 pesos or $2. My flimsy hands are actually quite unstable when I film handheld, so devices like this help me get stable shots. Anyway, enough talking, let's get on with this. So for this build, we are going to need some wood. This wood is a leftover from the bike roller that I made a few episodes ago, which you can check at the eye icon on the top right. We also need some wheels. I bought this cheap one in the hardware store. I think it should suffice our needs. The idea is we're gonna mount the wheels onto the wood using some screws. These screws are self-tapping, so I don't really have to drill. Thank goodness. Although we need to make a little dent. That should be easy enough. So now, how do we mount our cameras here? Well, this is where we need to drill the wood. Gosh dang it. It's just one hole, Mharz. You can do it. Alright, we did it, yay! What we're gonna do is insert a 1/4 inch bolt here. My bolt is probably a little long. Well, I don't really have a shorter bolt with the same diameter. I'm too lazy to buy. Don't worry, this will work just fine because the next thing we're gonna do in order to tighten it is stack nuts on it. Look, I know it looks ridiculous, but this will work, okay? Lastly, we're gonna screw in a ball mount so that we can rotate and tilt the camera as needed. If you're using a phone, you're gonna need this phone holder to be able to screw it into the mount. If you don't really have the budget to buy a camera mount or a bolt, you can just put the camera on top of the dolly and use it like that. It works just the same. And there you have it, guys, a simple and easy and cheap camera dolly for your filming purposes. Is it perfect? No, there's actually a downside. Unfortunately, you can only use this on smooth surfaces, and I mean baby butt smooth. Even the slightest bump can cause a little shake, so you have to look out for that. Functionally, it's pretty decent. It will help if you have shaky hands. Anyway, that is it for this video. I like to try things like DIY, hobby builds, and baking, and if you like to see more, smash that subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. Feel free to like or dislike this video as well as leaving a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you, and any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!